Hello, good day. My name is Shezame Porras, and today we learn about state of matter. Let's see what state of matter is. Matters can be anything that have mass and occupy space. The most common state of space of matter are solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. So let's learn this for one by one. Solid. A sample of solid is this stone, ice, and this bottle. Solid in this state, the particles tightly jam-packed together so they don't move much. The electrons of each atom are steadily in motion, so the atoms have a little vibration but they are fixed in their place. Through this very small particles amount of kinetic energy, solid have definite shape, definite volumes, and definite mass. So, we're gonna go in liquid. Liquid, in the example of liquid is water, oil, and milk. So, in this state, liquids, the particles are more loosely packed. Liquids have indefinite shape, which for liquids can comply to each container. Because the particles are loosely packed, liquid have low tendency. Some example for this. So what I say this, milk, oil, and water. So we're going to gas. Gas, example of gas is this smoke. Smoke or in air. In this state, the particles have great deal of space between them and have very high kinetic energy and have uh, a gas have no definite volume, no definite shape. Gases can fill up the entire volume of space of the container, respectively of the size of the container. Some example is this smoke, air, and oxygen can be our water vapor. And we're going to plasma. Plasma in this case is one of warm ominous gas consisting of almost equivalent of numbers of negatively charged of electron and positively charged of ion. In this example of approx 99% of matter in the observable universe in the plasma state. Some example is my example is this bulb. And other is neon sign or welding arc and tail of comet, and that's all. Thank you. Hope you have learned for this four state of matters. So now let's talk about the phases of matter normally exist to the solid, liquid, and gas. So phases of matter have unique characteristics. So let's talk. Let's take a look this solid. Solid holds, have shape, and has a fixed volume. Then gonna try this put on glass. As you can see, have fixed volume. So let's go to the liquid. So liquid takes the shape of the container and has the a fixed volume. So because we don't have a container, let's go to put on into the glass. So as you can see, has a fixed volume. So gas. The gas takes shape in the container but has volume of the container. So I put this sum of smoke into the bottle. Let's see what it is. As you can see, has a volume in the container. So let's move on. Matter can also change from one phase to another. When heat or pressure from place apart, phase changes called are also physical changes. So, let's try to summarize one place to another. The plus sign and minus sign indicate if it's added or subtracted. So, let's go. Take a look this one. Physical changes requires heat. So, solid into liquid equals melting. As you can see, this ice is solid. If the heat is applied, it is slowly coming to liquid. So, liquid to gas equals evaporation. It is more liquid into the gas. If the water heated, it is convert into the gas. Sublimation between solid directly to gas. When the solid directly to gas and skip the liquid space under the net of this smoke is the solid ball of the dry ice. So, next changes in which heat is removed. Liquid to solid equals freezing. When the liquid go to solid, this snow is one time was liquid, as it's because cold it's become to solid. Condensation, gas to liquid. When the water vapor in the air, it's cold to the glass, it's becomes slowly liquid. And the last deposition, gas to solid. When you go to the gas to solid, the water vapor in the air wave to the gas to solid. So, the main reason why chemistry is very important in criminology, or main relation of chemistry into the criminology, it's because of the knowledge of chemistry is very useful and vital for investigating crime, solving cases like physical evidence or autopsy, fingerprint, and forensics. That's all. Thank you.